Welcome back, guys. Last session we discussed what is an operator, what is an operand. Now let us discuss the next important word, expression. What is an expression? Expression is nothing but a equal to 10 is a one expression. A greater than 0, one expression. A plus 20, one expression. Expression is nothing but combination of operand and operator together is called what? Expression. Look at the definition. An expression is a combination of operators and operands is nothing but expression. So we have three words completed. What is an operator? A symbol or a word. What is an operand? A value passing as a input. What is an expression? Combination of operator and operands. So you should have clear clarity on these three words for understanding this chapter. More important points in the next examples. Okay, please write the notes and practice clearly of these three words. Thank you.